Hi guys, welcome to Mechanical Special. In this video, we are going to discuss the symptoms of a bad thermostat. The car thermostat plays a crucial role in regulating the engine's operating temperature by controlling the flow of coolant through the cooling system. When the engine is cold, the thermostat is closed, preventing coolant flow to the radiator. As the engine warms up, the thermostat gradually opens, allowing coolant to circulate and dissipate heat. The thermostat is usually located in a car's engine head, where the upper radiator hose connects to the engine. The thermostat housing is attached to the top radiator hose and contains the thermostat. Symptoms of a bad thermostat. 1. Engine overheating. One of the most common signs of a faulty thermostat is engine overheating. If the thermostat gets stuck in the closed position, it prevents coolant from flowing through the radiator. This leads to increased engine temperature. 2. Low coolant level. A faulty thermostat can cause coolant to be trapped in one part of the engine. This leads to a lower coolant level in the radiator. Low coolant levels can impair the cooling system's ability to regulate temperature, contributing to overheating. 3. Coolant leaks. If your thermostat housing or gasket is damaged, it may cause coolant leaks. Look for puddles of coolant under your car or around the thermostat housing. Coolant leaks can lead to a loss of coolant, reducing the system's effectiveness. 4. Inconsistent temperature gauge. A thermostat that is stuck open can cause the engine to run cooler than normal. This may result in the temperature gauge reading lower than usual, even during normal driving conditions. A lower than normal temperature reading on the gauge may deceive the driver into thinking the engine is not overheating. 5. Poor heater performance. The thermostat controls the flow of hot coolant to the heater core, which is responsible for warming the air inside the vehicle. A bad thermostat can reduce the flow of hot coolant, leading to inadequate heating performance in the cabin. 6. Delayed warm-up. If the thermostat is stuck open, the engine may take longer to reach its optimal operating temperature. This can result in reduced fuel efficiency and increased emissions. 7. Constant cooling fan operation. The radiator cooling fan should only operate when the engine is hot. If the thermostat is stuck closed, the fan may run continuously in an attempt to cool the engine. 8. Check engine light illumination. A bad thermostat can potentially trigger the check engine light. The check engine light illuminates when the engine control unit detects a problem within the engine or emissions control system. A faulty thermostat can cause issues that the ECU may detect, leading to the activation of the check engine light. A bad thermostat may also trigger the P0128 engine code. 9. Unusual smells. Damaged thermostat can lead to coolant leaks. If coolant is leaking onto hot engine components, it may evaporate and produce a sweet-smelling odor. The leaking coolant can also mix with engine oil, resulting in a distinct odor. Thanks for watching the complete video, and subscribe the channel.